Alright, so I've got a cheap tape measure. Now, not all tape measures have this magnet or magnets on the end of it, but honestly, it is the best hack of all. If I had a second tape measure that I was going to use regularly and I had some magnets, I would take some 5-minute epoxy and a few magnets from eBay. You know, you can get 100 of them for a couple dollars, and I would glue the magnet to the end of the tape measure so I can go like this. Because honestly, you know what, if I lost my keys in the drain or something happened, I can very easily pick it up. And that's it. Glue your magnets to the end of your tape measures.